Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bakes and Cooks. Today I have come up with another recipe that is how to make a very special curry with fresh bamboo shoots. So let's get started. Before I proceed, I would like to request you to please watch my video patiently till the end. Here I have some fresh bamboo shoots. I'm going to cut them into thin slices. After that only I'll tell you what to do next. So let's get started. I have already cut some from before. Here it is. I'll show you how I have sliced. So after I finish slicing, I'm going to wash. So here it is. I have washed thrice. Now I'm going to put into this pressure cooker and add some water. I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt you can add as per your taste. Now I'm going to place it on the stove and let it give 3 whistles. So it's done now. I'm going to drain the water and wash the bamboo shoot 2-3 times with cold water. So I've already drained the water. Now let's wash with clean water. So it's already washed. I've already squeezed the bamboo shoot also, so that extra water is squeezed out from the bamboo shoot. Here is our next ingredient. I've already peeled and washed the potatoes. I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. This I'm going to slice and put into this pan. You can see how I have sliced. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to add some chopped onion. I've taken half of a medium-sized onion. Now I add dry king chili. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt you can add as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. 3 pieces of fermented dry fish. Here is a handful of washed red lentils I'm going to put into this pan. I'm going to place the pan on the stove and cook till they are done. So let's boil them by covering it with a lid. You can see how nicely the potatoes have been cooked, and even the lentils also. Now I'm going to mash the potato pieces and the king chili. I'm going to mash it properly. You can see it's nicely mashed now. I'm going to add little water into it. because we are going to add the bamboo shoots and boil for some time. So since the water has become less, that's why I have added some extra water. Here I add the boiled bamboo shoots. I'm going to boil these for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the gravy becomes thick. I'm going to add some dry fish. These are smoked dry fish. After adding the dry fish, I'm not going to overcook. Just for 5 minutes only I'm going to cook by covering it with a lid. Here I cover it with a lid. Let's wait for 5 minutes. It's done now. You can see the gravy has also become thick. Now I add some chopped coriander leaves. And it's ready to be served. So here it is. So mouth-watering, isn't it? And believe me, it's very tasty. You can have this with rice. I'm sure you'll try to make this recipe. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently.